Hello everybody, from Father Marcel Portelli here, to all the parishioners and friends of Sacred Heart Parish in Gladwin. As you know, the old ceiling was torn down, and this drywall, this gypsum, is going to form the basis of our new ceiling. We're going to see it brought into the church right now. And it's going to go up there for our new ceiling. And nothing too dramatic here from last week, but I can show you something here that I think should catch your attention. And that is the arch. The arch is making some really good progress there. It's framed in. There's a couple workers up there working right now, as you can hear them. That'll be framed in with the drywall. And it's really going to make this special. It's going to transform the sanctuary into something much more classical looking, almost like a true apse. It won't be a true apse because a true apse has a semicircular or hemispherical dome on top. We're not going to have that, of course, but the appearance is still going to be very striking. So a very short video for today. Hope you like what you see. Thank you again for your prayers and your pledges to our capital campaign to keep the project going. God bless.